Here are 6 rules for beginners who want to invest in stock market. These rules can really help you to grow. Without wasting a minute, let's begin with the rules. The first one is begin with less money. Start investment journey with 500 to 1000 rupees. Second is portfolio diversification. Buy stocks of different sectors and industries. Beginners should buy blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks are considered a safe investment option. An interesting video on this topic is coming soon on the channel. Never invest in stock tips. Stock tips means one should not invest blindly on stocks based on tips given by people, and also don't follow crowd. The fifth is invest in trenches. SIP is best option for beginners. Do not invest all your money at once. Do your own research. Last tip is understand and learn the movement of prices in stock market.